Hi, welcome to the Metal and Wood Shop. We're located in room 1211 at the Student Innovation Center. Here, we have some important safety protocols that we need to follow. We have a line here, and you have to have the proper PPE or personal protective equipment to cross this line. What we require in this shop is closed-toed shoes and closed-heeled shoes, long pants, and safety glasses. If you have long hair, it's a good idea to tie it back. Long sleeves, you should pull them up. Also, remove any loose or dangling jewelry such as watches, necklaces, and rings. And if you have strings on your sweatshirt, tie them or tuck them in. We ask that you scan in on our card readers and tell us why you're here. On our website, you can find a list of restricted materials, so as you're planning a project out, you know what you can and can't use. All of our tools in the shop have a designated safety level, and those levels correspond to the level of supervision that they need and the risk those tools provide. We also have everything locked, so when you come in, you need to talk to a shop supervisor and get the tool unlocked so that you can start your project. We look forward to seeing you soon. This is the drill press, found in room 1211, otherwise known as the Metal and Wood Shop. Its purpose is to drill holes. We have two machines. Both are the same, but we use one of them for wood and the other for metal. This machine is a safety level 1, which means if a shop supervisor is working, one trained user can operate this machine. The large red button is the emergency stop, or e-stop. Use this if there is a suspected issue and you need to stop the machine quickly. The top green button is the start button. The smaller red button is the stop button. The black dial controls the speed of the drill. The table can be adjusted to meet the needs of the object you are drilling. The handle can be found on the back side of the drill press. The left knob is the lock/unlock for the table. Turn this counterclockwise to unlock the table. The table can now swivel. When you move the handle to the right knob, it will raise and lower your table to accommodate different sized work pieces. Once you have adjusted this table, lock it back into position by turning the left hand knob or the lock knob back to the clockwise position and tightening it up. The chuck is where a drill bit is inserted. The sleeve on the chuck rotates and will open and close the jaws. You will insert a drill bit and tighten the chuck by hand, ensuring that the jaws are on the solid part of the drill bit and it is straight in the chuck. Once it is hand tightened, grab the chuck key, which can be found on the magnetic tray on the side of the machine. Insert the chuck key into the hole on the side of the chuck and turn clockwise or to the right to tighten the chuck. Repeat for at least 2, preferably 3 locations on this chuck. Remove the chuck key and place it back in the magnetic tray. If the chuck key is left in the chuck, it becomes a projectile and can cause serious injuries. This concludes the machine overview for the drill press. Please continue on to the specific operation videos for both the wood and metal drill presses in our shop.